Grandma, why do clothes take so long to wash?
Because, baby, good things take time, even clean socks.
Especially your play clothes.
My play clothes go on adventures.
Oh, really? They must have had a mud party last time.
Boom, boom, bap. I'm making music, Papa.
Okay, DJ Jax in the house.
All right, don't make Grandma start dancing.
Go, go, Grandma, go.
Laundry day, hip hooray. Let's wash our clothes today. Socks and shirts in Lego. Add some soap, don't use too much though. Spin, spin, swish, swish, swish. Watch the washer go whoosh. Round and round, nice and clean. Best day ever, laundry day scene. Try them, fold them, put away. We did great this laundry day.
Look at us. Laundry Day turned into a whole concert.
That's how we do it. Turn chores into joy.
That was the best day ever.
Just in time.
Clean clothes and a clean beat